how to react when you are not feeling good, when you are sick, when you are having ill health, when you are not having good health, then how to not go deep down into negativity just because at that moment of time you are not getting that much energy or positive thoughts or the good intentions from inside because your health is not good, your system is not working properly, then how to not go towards overthinking in those lonely and sad moments, how to just come over the unsatisfaction that you are not able to work just because of the health, how to just be that much optimistic and consistent in your daily task which you have been doing every single day of the work which you love the most, how to just not break this consistency in even this much worst time. A very good evening to you all, happiest people, to this amazing platform of YouTube named as Happiness Prime. And you won't believe this is H49 Prime, and I'm not having good health. And I didn't had good health in the whole day, but still there was some things which I noticed, and I clicked on this video button and I started speaking. Now I'm getting the thoughts. Now I'm realizing that what I did and how I'm having so much confidence and so much energy that I can just deliver each and everything in this video. And seriously, you won't believe that I'm so much confident from inside right now. And if you are an old watcher, an old viewer, an old audience of this channel, that you might have heard this one thing from me, that you get confidence from the work which you do every single day when nobody else is watching, when nobody is there to support you, when nobody is financially support you, when no family members, no parents, no friends, families, siblings are supporting you. The work, the hustle, the things which you do for others, for yourself, for anyone, for learning new things, the way the things you do every single day consistently, the maximum amount of hours, reducing your sleep and maximizing your work hustle without money. When you do these things, you get confidence. When you do these things daily, when you write blogs, when you make videos, when you do the things which you love the most, when you sketch, when you dance, when you gym, when you do anything which you love the most and you do it consistently, then you get confidence from inside. And you know this one thing, whenever you will do the hustle, after the hustle you are so confident that you can do anything. And I'm just sharing my views right now and you completely agree with me. I know that from inside. So you won't believe, my health is not good. My health was not good the entire day, and still I just am this so much confident. How do you think that I'm so much confident? Just because I did wrote the blogs, I did follow the schedules, I was not getting any of the positive intentions. I was just going into overthinking again and again, but I was aware at that moment that right now I'm not in that maximum peak which I used to be every single moment. I'm not at that peak. And what is the reason? That my health is not that good, that my food which I ate is just flown away, and now right now I'm not having that much amount of energy which is not generating all the positive thoughts, all the positive intentions. And that is the only reason which is why I'm not getting that much confidence right now. In those sales calls, in those moments, in those afternoon evening moments, I was not that much optimistic, and that is the only reason. Now what did I do? I just self aware. I just put self awareness inside me. I just reminded that what I need to believe right now. First thing, what I did, what I'm doing every single day, how much task I'm performing every single day, and that gave me the confidence that okay, if I'm not so much confident from inside, I should do the things which I love the most, and right now I should write a blog. That is the only thing which kept up the consistency. Although I didn't do good in sales call, but still it is okay to just do something. Right now I'm so much confident that now I can do the sales call. At that moment I was not able to do the sales call. So yes, I shifted my just intentions. I did work. I didn't wasted time. I kept up with the consistency even in the bad health, even in the ill health, even when I was not feeling that good. And I self-realized this one thing. I'm not making something or just reading something. I'm just delivering all the points which I have inside me. I'm just recalling all the things which were going on in my mind at that particular moment. I'm just recalling each and everything, and this is what I did. I first I'm just repeating this one thing. I first deployed self awareness that right now I used to be very positive. I used to be very optimistic. I used to be very confident. I used to just give all the positive thoughts to every single one. I have so much amount of energy every time. But right now, why my body is not having the energy from inside? Why am I not getting positive thoughts? Why am I going into overthinking? And that way, in 1 or 2 seconds, I figured out that okay, the health, the ill health. I had good sleep, 6 hours of sleep. I had food, but still the health is not good just because of the loose motions and all of those things. The health was not good. That is the only reason I was not getting the proper energy, the scheduled energy. That is why now, due to the overthinkings, I was getting negative. Due to the overthinkings, I was not doing good in the sales call. So I stopped. I stopped instead of just putting out the negativity out, because that is the only thing. When I'm not feeling good from inside, then I cannot deploy positive thoughts and solutions to other people, and that is very bad. When you are not feeling good, you throw the negative vibes, and that is how a human psychology works. That is how the human beings, these animal works. So that is, you need to deploy self awareness. Stop doing the calls. You need to just deploy awareness and do what you love to do. Keep up the consistency. I started writing the blogs, and then I had good intentions. I read something, I wrote something, I learned something from YouTube, I learned good things. Whichever things I was interested in, which I wanted to learn, I did that. So that is how you convert a to be bad day to a into a very nicest learning day. So I hope you got to learn you got to learn something very nice from this video. So next time, whenever you feel not that good, just try to keep up with the consistency, just because when you keep up with the consistency, even while being aware of your health is not that good, then you get that much amount of confidence after this period is gone. Then you have that much amount of confidence, which you can see in this video. Like, this is one of the every one of my videos, I think this is one of the best of the videos. So I hope you got to learn the best from one of these H49 Prime, and thank you for watching this video. Keep up the hustle, keep up the positive good work, keep up the learning, and keep doing the things every day, and somehow something, just it will connect. Somewhere it will connect. I'm just really telling you with all the experience. If you do anything, if you do any work, online or offline, if you do any work, you hustle, it will somehow, someday, something, somewhere it will connect. It is just reality. It is just how life works. It is just how karma works. I hope you believe me, and if you not, then you can just try out, and then after 6 months you can believe me. Thank you. Keep spreading the positive love to your loved ones and the people living around you. Never dissatisfy them. Never spread hate or anger on them. Just try to be positive. Try to spread love, and let's make this world a happy place to live. Thank you. Have fun.